Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the economic institutions of Pakistan. Pakistan is the 23rd largest in the world in terms of purchasing power policy and 42nd largest in terms of gross domestic product. It has a per capita income of $103,057 as per 2019. It has the semi-industrialized aspect, which is predominant in the overall economic participation. The primary export commodities are textile, leather goods, sports goods, chemicals, and carpet. So if we talk about the major exports of Pakistan, from which Pakistan generates a very considerable revenue that becomes a part of Pakistan's GNP or gross national product, which are petroleum and petroleum related products, plastics, artifacts, transportation equipment, paper and paperboard, organic chemicals, iron and steel. Similarly, we have major export in the textile industry, cotton, apparel, leather products, oil and mineral fuel, beverages, and natural minerals and stones. If we talk about the gross domestic product or GDP, it is an economic indicator which records the level of goods and services produced in a given year within a country. For Pakistan, it is 264 billion is the GDP as per 2020 figures. So major components to measure the GDP are consumption, how much we are consuming by whatever is being produced in the country, and how much investment is available to be invested in different business sectors, and then the role of government, and also our share of net export as compared to the import. So then we have the gross national product. It is the cumulative wealth produced in the country, including both the gross domestic product as well as the remittances that we receive from our workers who are going abroad to work and send money to Pakistan. And we have the components which can define the gross national product include the total consumption, whatever is being consumed in the country, and then government's total spending on different developmental projects, or maybe on the salary section, as well as in order to have the different debts to be paid to the countries from where we have borrowed the money. And then the capital spending by the business, as well as the net exports as compared to the imports.